Pipiron man ni God. Ang kalingan. Wala na tayo mo. Paano bumisita?
Mga concern ba diha, pwede na ito nga pagkaagpagtagad sulod sa ito ang
family. Everyone, before ko po i-welcome ang ating birthday celebrant here in front, samahan niyo po akong i-welcome ang mommy and daddy or the proud parents of our birthday celebrant. Everyone, yes, and let's all welcome mommy Janelle and daddy Julius. Welcome everyone. Ready, get ready. Eyes on the camera. Over your head. Yes, ready. 1, 2, 3, and just smile. Walking face, ready. Walking face. Together with Aki Clown. Ready. 1, 2, 3, smile. Let's all welcome our birthday celebrator for tonight, the one and only daughter of Mommy Janelle and Daddy Julius. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpak everyone for our birthday girl! Ella! A round of applause, please. Right, yes, once again, everybody clap your hands and everybody shout, Happy Birthday, Ella!
Happy birthday, Ella!
Alright, now let's picture first. Master close with you. Eyes on the camera. In 1, 2, 3, and smile. One more. Manaan rin ka ron.
release first.
Pinasa talaga.
Okay, good evening. Nasa panang regular kay
Ilag kamay. Ilag kamay. Ilag
Christian
kamay.
yung kata, anyway, yung nalong na sa mga pinamuhin ay mabisod pa. Salamat po na ginalong din siya. Ayun lang, salamat sa mga bisita. Marintin na ako diya. Salamat sa mga pasiliti nila. Salamat sa mga pasiliti nila.
Alright!
One, play the music. Alright, once again, everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more, make it louder and faster. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Just one more. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. Everybody sing. May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you. Alright, once again, everybody clap your hands and everybody shout, Happy birthday, Ella! Alright, everyone, before po mag-blow si Ella ng kaniyang 7th birthday candle cake, okay, before po i-blow ni Ella ang kaniyang 7th birthday candle cake, let's hear a wishes from the proud parents of our birthday celebrant. Now, this time, uunahin ko si Sir. Sir, wish for Ella.
Isa lang naman, Lubis kabutan. Nagalos sa loob.
Yay! Always buutan. And how about si Mommy this time? Everyone, palakpak for Mommy Janelle.
Gabi sa tanan, ang wish lang ako kay Ella no, magtubo siya nga burutan ko. And araw ko may always ni Papa sa iya na mag-support sa iya sa iya. And I hope na malipayang siya tonight sa iyang birthday kay wish ko niya na gusto niya na ay magic show sa iyang birthday. So, ito pa. And that's all. Papa and I love you so much na. Happy birthday again.
Alright! Yes, everybody clap your hands. Now this time, everyone, sabay-sabay po tayong magbilang 1 up to 3. Ready? And 1, 2, and 3. Ella, blow your 7th birthday candle cake. Once again, Ella is now officially... Everybody clap your hands for the clock! Alright, hi ate. And what is your name? Huh? Aya. How old are you? 6 years old. Go claim your consolation prize, ate. Oh, the little property people you can. Paano ba yung group to? Nauna yung kabilang grupo. Alright, again, huwag kalimutan ng clap and shout. Now this time, nauna to rin aside your kids category. Kids category, birth month ng bata from January to December. Sa likod now. Clap and shout! Very nice. desisyon. Paalala lang po sa inyong lahat. Mga kababayan na agree ng side atong birthday girl ha. Okay. Okay, asa tadapit na unang palakpak. Magtatanong ako dito sa ating punong murado. Now this time, sabi dito ni Sir Sigilan, masayaw mapud ko. Birth month ng bata from January to December. When is your birth month? January. Kuya, when is your birth month? July. July. Kuya, when is your birth month? August. June, July, August. Hello, ate. When is your birth month? September. 2 points. And 0 point. Para sa mabuilding na grupo, ihanda ang inyong... Yes, everyone, roller and winners. Ay, wala sa sir. Balik sa sir. Sayaw sa... Ay, manayaw sa mga upat. Ready and ready to one. Play the music. Go! Say go! Say go! Everybody clap your hands. Welcome everyone. Be ready for the first contestant number 1. Alright, thank you so much. Here we go for the contestant number 2. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, palakpak for the contestant number 3. Ladies and gentlemen, the contestant number 4. Palakpak! Alright! Hey, palakpakan lang po natin si Ma'am Roy.
Dili si ila o akong wish ka ila magbingot ani gid unas tanan mo ila sa Ginoo mutahod sa mga gidikan mahimo usab siya nga sulundon sa mga kabataan yata kaniya ang maayo pangunahuna o maayo sa niya giya sa Ginoo kaya ang kining tanan aton di pagbati kung dili kaniyahan sa Ginoo di kita malipay ng ekso ang talipay iya sa Ginoo ato ang bitang gugmang ani kanato o ato higugmaon ato mga karinti, mga silingan, o atong laro na sa atong mga minahal sa tinakuwi, alvera sa atong pamilya. Maraming salamat o may gabi sa tanan.
Alright, sir.
Happy birthday lang, you know that we love you and I hope that you grow in faith in God and that's all.
Alright, let's see the picture first, ma'am. Alright.
Doon tayo sa front.
Hello, Ella. Good evening to all. Happy birthday, Ella. So, wish ko sa imo kay
Sorry, nako na.
to have a very long, healthy life. Pugunta, happy lang ka per me. So,
Alright.
Wala kang sample dyan. Hi, Dad. Good evening, everyone. Happy birthday, Ella. As for tita, wish ko sa inyo is mag-grow ko nga healthy. Kayo sa skin.
Yung at tumap, makakura ba ko?
Enjoy.
Lapit na sa Luzon.
Tumakbo si ma'am.
We love you.
let's have a blue kiss.
Kiss. Oh, enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ella. May you enjoy your life, good health, endless happiness, and unconditional love. God bless you and your family. TV. Hello, Ella. Happy birthday. Tayo dyan. Hello. Wala niyo. Kaya dami mo.
I love you, cousin sister. I wish you a happy birthday. May your day be full of fun and laughter. You deserve the best celebration. Happy birthday, Ella.
Happy birthday, Ella. Palagi kang makinig sa mga magulang mo. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ella. Enjoy your birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ella. Hopefully to see you soon. Enjoy your party. Bye. Love you. Happy
Ito is huhulaan nyo lang kung ano yung shape na gagawin ni Ate Clown. And be ready for the first balloon. What balloon color is this? Pink and I have a question for you. Mamimigay si Ate Clown ng prizes kung sino ang makakasagot. The question is, ano sa Tagalog? Alright, be ready for the first balloon figure. Starts with letter F, ends with letter R. Binibigay ng mga daddy sa mga mommy tuwing may birthday, tuwing Valentine's Day, tuwing, alright, anniversary na may kasamang tsokolate. What balloon figure is this? Again, you have to sit down first. Okay, si Ate Clown ang lalapit sa inyo. Okay, to get the balloons. Starts with letter F, ends with letter R. Go, Ate. What balloon figure is this? Flower is correct. Good job. Here we go to the second balloon. How about this one? What balloon color is this? Another question. Ano sa Bisaya ang red? Sino nakakaalam? Si Ate ulit. Alright. Ang Tagalog ng red is pula. Ano naman ito sa Bisaya? Sino nakakaalam? How about this one? What balloon figure is this? Starts with letter D, ends with letter G. Tatlong letra na sa mga bahay nakatira. What balloon figure is this? Raise your hand and smile. Smile.
Smile.
Alright. Hi. What balloon figure is this, Kuya? This is a dog. Dog is correct. What is the sound of a dog? Woof, woof. Very well for you, Kuya. Another balloon tayo. How about this time? Purple balloon. Watch this. Right. Right, how about this one? What balloon figure is this? Starts with letter M. Ito ay may mascot sa Disneyland. Tumatakbo sa bahay tuwing gabi kumakain ng cheese. Yung iba mga damit sa bahay ang kinakain. What balloon figure? Then right to the next balloon figure. Starts with letter R, ends with letter T. What animals that loves hopping and loves to eat carrots? Alright, go Ella. What balloon figure is this? This is a rabbit is correct for you, Ella. Alright, last balloon before we proceed sa ating magic show. Another. Alright, how about this time? Orange balloon tayo. Watch this. Ready?
Sit down na, Bin. Tawat na, Bin. Ano yung magic? Sit down lang, KB.
Alright! Sino nakakuha? Galing! Good job! Alright, everybody clap your hands for Kuya! Yeah. Kuya, smile!
Wala na na sa'yo ang mahal. Wala na.
Wow! Love, Kuya!
Okay? Wow. Okay? Konsepto na, okay? Magic, okay?
500 na.
Okay, close. Okay. Liay. Close. Shake. Open. Okay, close. Open.
Ayaw si Rancho. Dagan na. Nagalaw.
Alright, once again, everyone, palakpak for our couple artist of personality.
Sit down.
Sit down lang, sit down.
Alright, kids, upo lang. Alright, sit down first sa lahat ng mga bata natin. Hayaan. Watch this. Ready? Alright, once again, be careful. Baka maslide kayo sa ating tapos sa lotion. Alright. Alright, yes, once again, just sit down. Huwag muna lahat ng kids natin. Alright, and again, be careful dahil medyo basa na po yung floor natin. And baka maslide po kayo sa ating floor. Alright, and we have here our new bubble artist, si Ate. Alright, be ready everyone for the next. Alright, ang kinalisa na. Wow! One more, isa pa. Ready? Alright, one more. Alright, ready? Yeah, thank you so much. How about Paula? Where is Paula? Come here, Paula. Alright, and eyes on the camera, Paula, on 1 and 2. Alright, sit down first. Upo muna. 1, 2, 3, smile. One more. Be ready, Kuya Kai. Ito yung next, Kuya. Alright. 1, 2, 3, smile. Woohoo! One more. Enjoy yung ating birthday girl. Kinilig sa bubble. Alright. One more, Ate. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and the smile. Smile. Isa pa. One more, Kuya. Smile. And come around. 1, 2, 3, and smile. Wow, another one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Wow, one more. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. Yes, and after for our bubble show, we will be having the last game. All right, and giving up with the award here. All right, you have to say happy birthday, Ella, one by one. Okay, come here. Okay, dito kuya. Okay, and you have to take a smile picture with Ella, right? Pagka-receive ng iyong advance. Say happy birthday, Ella.
Thank you. Go, kuya. Let's do the stuff, kuya. And it's your birthday.
1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, do not open your lip box first, ha? After natin giving up lip box, and we will be having a picture taking. Say happy birthday, Ella. Show your lip box. Ready? Thank you, ate. Again, do not open your lip box first. Ready?
It's done here. It's done.
Alright, picture first. Get your lip box. Alright, thank you, ate. Next. Alright, picture first. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Thank you so much. Alright, go get your lip box. Nice. 1, 2, 3, and smile. Alright, let's see, kuya. I see the commercial lip box. 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright, thank you, kuya. Careful this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Next. Kuya Kai.
Smile, kuya. Smile.
2, 3, smile. Thank you, kuya. Alright, careful. Next. Alright, next. Next. Happy birthday, Ella. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and smile. Alright, si kuya, ma'am. Kids, shout as louder as you can. Balik mo na here, kuya. Ready? We have to shout happy birthday, Ella. And 3, 2, 1, go! And everybody clap your hands. Palakpak. Thank you so much, kids. Maraming salamat lang.
Nagdawa sa tuwa. And sa lahat, sa tanan ng mga delikada, especially sa classmates ni Ella, si Lina ni Ella, mga relatives, thank you for bringing your kids sa birthday ni Ella. Ano yung first time na nag-help sa gawa sa iyang birthday. And then salamat po sa mga nag-sponsor po sa birthday ni Ella. Ako lang, salamat sa tanan sa pag-anhay. God bless us all.
Alright! Hey, Ella! And once again, this is me, your clown host for tonight. Ate Muchabaling the Clown. Everyone, if you want an entertainment, magic show, bubble show, alright, clown hosting, human hosting. For your upcoming events, you may contact ko my Facebook page or Facebook account again, Mutya Baliling. Maraming salamat po again, ma'am, for choosing me or for choosing us to be part of Ella's 7th birthday celebration. Maraming salamat po also sa ating photographer, ayan kay ma'am, and syempre sa ating venue for tonight, Kairos Kitchen. Dagang salamat po again. Ingat po kayo lang sa pag-uwi. God bless everyone.
Show.
Wow. Sige na. Oo, ganun ko ka mama.
Show.
Ayan na. Gamay! Na? Tina?
Nakita mo na dahil.
Ulo. Ito.
Ito yung regalo dyan.
Ito. Ito.